everybody, welcome back to Air Productions. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than the other videos that I've been doing. Like, instead of the airplane videos. Well, today we're going to be making a shield made out of foam. Probably not the best idea for this. But we're going to make the shield out of foam and see if it can deflect water balloons completely. I made another one earlier. I didn't film it, obviously. I don't know what I was thinking, but it got destroyed. The water balloon that went through the shield. So let's just try out and see if the shield even works. Let's get started. So on my last shield that I made for deflecting water balloons, that sounds weird coming out loud. Well, on the last shield that I made the handle a little bit too weak, so I'm gonna work on a new design that will make it more stronger, and hopefully it won't blow itself up or something. So let's get back to work. Alright, so let's assess the damages here. So this shield was a very good shield from the water balloons, but right now I'm going to open it, see what happened to it after we were done. So there was a slight rip in the corner, and I hit a water balloon on the side here. I don't know if it caught on the camera. But it just really wrinkled. I was expecting it to be soaked and just destroyed, but I guess not. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could just reinforce it a little bit and put more tinfoil on it, and it'll be ready to go again. Thank you guys so much for watching the Air Productions video. Like, subscribe, comment on what you guys want me to do next. See you guys in the next video.